Hi guys, welcome back to Absolute Brushes. If you're new here, I'm Pranjali. Thank you so much for tuning in. Because it's November, the wedding season is officially on, so I'll be bringing you a wedding tutorial series of which this will be the first look. So if you want to know how I got this look, please keep on watching. To prep my face, I'm first starting with this PAC Instant Fixation Prep and Prime. Post that, I'm using this hydrating primer by Makeup Forever on my dry patches. For the rest of my face, I'm using this hydrating primer by Milani. And because I don't have huge pores on my forehead, nose, I'm applying the Baby Skin Insta Pore Eraser Primer. And for under my eyes, I'm using the Benefit Professional Primer because I have huge pores in this region. I'm first color correcting under my chin and around my face with the Miss Clear Orange color corrector. It's important to first color correct before you apply any sort of foundation or concealer to cancel out any blue undertones of the pigmentation that you might have and which might peek through if you directly go in with your foundation or your concealer. For foundation, I'm using the PAC HD Liquid Foundation in the shade 3.9. I'm using a damp beauty blender to blend it into my skin, as using a brush can move the color corrector that I've applied under my foundation. To highlight my high points like my under eye area, chin, forehead and nosy, I'm using the PAC Take Cover Concealer in the shade Beach Sand and Stark Nude. What it will do is that because this is lighter than my skin tone, it will bring the features forward, and to blend it, I'm using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes. To give some dimension and structure to my face, I'll be contouring my face using the Wet n Wild Duo Stick in the shade Medium. This is darker than my skin tone, so it will help in creating those shadows that got concealed with the foundation and my concealer. I'm using this in the usual places like my cheekbones, circumference of my face, my jawline and my nosy. And to blend it, I'm using my angled flat top kabuki brush from Cuffs and Lashes. And to bring back that warmth into my face, I'll be using a bronzer. This one's Hula Bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics on top of my contour, and I'm using an angled brush to blend it into my skin. Next, I'm applying a setting loose powder in the areas where my concealer creases the most, and the one that I'm using is the new Masterfix Setting Loose Powder by Maybelline. For blush, I'm dipping into this rosy shade from Ofra Cosmetics Signature Palette with my angled brush, and to blend it, I'm using my powdered brush. And for highlighter, I'm using the shade Moonstone from Sun Dipped Glow Kit palette by ABH Cosmetics, and I'm applying it with my fan brush. To clean up underneath my brows, I am using the Pack Take Cover Concealer in the shade Beach Sand. And to set it in place, I am using the Setting Loose Powder, New Masterfix Setting Loose Powder. And to get those dramatic straight edges, I am using a sticky tape. For my brows, I'm just filling in the sparse areas with this brown eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution Ultra Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm using a spoolie to spread the color across so that it looks more natural. To warm up my crease, I'm using this lavender shade from Mercury Retrograde Palette by Huda Beauty with my larger blending brush by Real Techniques. To intensify my crease area, I am dipping into the same lavender shade with my pack brush in the style 126, and to blend it away, I am using my smaller blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. To deepen my outer corner, I am picking up this deep violet shade Vortex from Mercury Retrograde Palette with my pack brush in the style 126, and I am blending it using my smaller blending brush by ABH Cosmetics. For the rest of my lid, I am using this rose gold shade Champagne from the Swiss Beauty Liquid Eyeshadow range with my flat brush by ABH Cosmetics, and to knead its edges I am using my small shot shader brush. For my lower lash line, I am using the same lavender shade from Mercury Retrograde Palette by Huda Beauty with my pack brush in the style 126. To brighten my inner corners and my brow bone, I am using this silverish shade from Mercury Retrograde Palette from Huda Beauty with my smaller pencil brush by Real Techniques. And to set and seal everything in place, I'm using a setting spray. This one's by Pack Prep and Prime. And to line my top lash line, I'm using the Lakme Insta Liner. And for my waterline, I'm using this white eyeliner by Flamour. And for lipstick, I'm using the shade Tea Rose by Faces Canada. And to finish up my eye makeup, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that I'll be curling my lashes and coating them with some mascara. This one's Total Temptation by Maybelline. And for lashes, I'm using the Gloomier lashes in the style Starlet. And here is the finished look. I've paired it up with a bindi, some traditional jewelry, and an Indian attire. Of course, you can pair it with anything you like. I love how super glam yet subtle this look is. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left all the product information along with my socials in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.